Hey guys, back to the channel again. I'm going to be showing you how to brush your dog's hair. So the first thing you do is make sure you have one of these brushes. Make sure you get it from the pet store. See, look, it's this side and this side. I use this side though because our dog is medium size, so I use this size. This side is for the midget dogs. For two of our dogs that our friend has. Yeah, and then this side is for the bigger dogs, for medium and the next size up, guys. This is the size I need for Simon, guys. First thing you do, make sure you don't go the wrong way. Don't brush too hard, guys. He likes this. Kind of brush him like this. You like that? Yeah. Yeah. Does that feel good? Don't brush too hard, guys. Just brush gently, guys. I gotta hurry up, though, because my shows are about to come on. Kind of brush them like this. You like it? Yeah, he likes it when I brush him. I'm gonna give him a bath after this, though. Because he smells. No one else likes to give him a bath but me. I'm like a professional. I'm a dog whisperer. I'm a professional dog giver bather. Kind of brush your dog like this. Don't brush too hard, guys. Not that much, bro. It's usually a lot easier when he's laying flat on his belly. He's laying on his side, though. Almost done, guys. I gotta get ready. Our friend Dory and Larry McGee is coming back over. They work for the ARC and they're doing the ARC timesheets on the app from the app now, cause the puppet is making everybody switch to direct deposit and all that, and I used to hate direct deposit because I heard bad things about it, but now I'm starting to hear good things about it now. When it first came out, it was going in the wrong account. I was like, ha 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 ha. It's a good thing I don't have direct deposit because it went it went to a different bank. But I like it now because I like to get money while I'm sleeping. It goes in at midnight. Kind of brush your dog like this. You like it? Yeah. After this, we'll give you a bath and clean you all up. Kind of brush your dog like this. Alright. A little more, guys. After this, we'll get you all cleaned up. No one else likes to give you a bath but me. I'm more responsible than some people, guys. Alright, let's go get this in the trash, guys. This is really disgusting. Look how much hair I got off, guys. Somebody's texting me like crazy. Oh, it's Larry. Alright, let's go throw this away in the trash, guys. Don't throw the brush away. This is how you get it off, guys. Hold on, let me set my camera up, guys. Kind of bang it like this to get it out. That's how you brush your dog's hair. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my videos, guys. Bye!